Well, it's the first week of May and we're having a little bit of an update on our onion patch.
Looking really well. Looking very healthy.
I mean, like we were saying earlier, this time of year you don't really need to do much with them,
Not
do
a lot,
you?
no.
It's just keeping them weeded and do a little bit now and again so they don't get too thick.
It's a good idea using an onion hoe, because this is you draw away the weeds from the onions. If you're using the push hose, it's so easy to chop them off.
Easy, yeah. And this allows you to just get in between just right.
I think the other advantage with just tickling the soil like this is it breaks the surface up, so when it does rain it soaks in better, doesn't it?
Yeah, and they're coming on, aren't they?
They're doing
thickening
well.
up,
Yeah,
and they're nice and green.
Yeah, and we've got a little bit of an accidental sowing of some lettuce seed. It's the odd lettuce, which actually just shows you it's a really good idea that if you haven't got much space, I mean onions take up a lot of space and they're in the ground a long time. It's quite a good idea to actually sow a little lettuce crop or salad crop in between, because it's not really going to affect them too much, is it?
No.
Particularly if you harvest them quite small. So that'd be quite a good idea.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. We perhaps should have done that.
Yeah. So that's the onions.
Just this time of year. Obviously, if it gets really dry, keep them well watered.
Yeah.
But we've had a bit of rain lately, and it seems to have got down under the soil a bit.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad.
So that's the onions.
Very therapeutic, babe.
Are you enjoying that, Tony?
I am actually. Yeah. I like this tool. It's great.